Welcome back to the Red Rum Files. Today we're playing with throttle bodies to see if we can make one work better than the other. Neither one of them work great, but here we go. So I've been going down a rabbit hole with these throttle bodies. This one likes to idle high, but it runs great. Like, you know, give it throttle, it has good response, and you know, feels like there's power. This one idles low, kind of stumbly, just does not allow the truck to run great, I don't think. I thought it was an IAC problem, which obviously that was an issue. This is the IAC. I'll post a picture of that where it looked like that inside, and there is a little bit missing in the throttle body. I put silicone to put that on, thinking that would fix it. It still runs like crap. Well, I think I found the high idle. This was bent over just a little bit and causing that to stay open. So I bent that back. I could replace it with that one, but I just bent that back for a test right now. So I'm going to swap IAC and the throttle position sensor back over on this one and try this one again. I don't know. I'm having a hard time deciding because, like I said, this one runs good, idles high. This one idles way too low, stumbles, and just does not run that great. So I'm kind of torn between these two. I actually probably just need one that works better, but we'll see how this goes. Alright, so I got everything switched over, but this, it's not, I think this one's still going to idle high, because like I said, this throttle body, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, and holding a camera. Let's see if I can get in there, but is that working? No, probably not. I'm moving too much. Anyway, this shaft moves back and forth, where this one is actually tight, it doesn't move, but I don't know. But with this piece being bent that way, and it was holding it, let's get the camera right, about like that, I have a feeling that wasn't helping any either. I don't know. There was a place that rebuilt these. I don't know. I would probably just get them rebuilt. So let's see what this does. I don't know. This video kind of sucks. Alright, so while I was messing with this, I took all of this apart and put a little washer in there to kind of help the slack slide back and forth. But I do still, I don't know if I can get this on camera, but let's see if I can flip this around in a certain way that I can open a throttle body. Oh, that's not working. No light. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. No. But if you look right there in the aluminum, there is a groove right there. There you go. There's a groove in the aluminum of the throttle body where that butterfly is, or a groove into it. And I just got my thumb stuck in here. There we go. And so that's going to be a little bit of a problem, but the play in it, not completely gone, but better. So then we're going to throw it on truck. We'll try it out. Okay, doing all that work. I did get it to idle down some. It's not perfect, but as you see, I'm what, 1300 maybe. It would idle up here, like between 1800 and 2000 RPM. I think I'm gonna try it for a few days, see what happens here, and see if it might work itself into lower idle. I doubt it. I doubt that's gonna happen. That's not how things work. So give it a try for a few days, see if I like it. This does beat a very low idle, 500 RPM, and trying to stall out when I'm at a stop. If you have any ideas for me, let me know. Also looking to see if there might be some rebuild kits for these things, or maybe a better throttle body. I know it's the throttle body because everything changes when I change the throttle body, like all the characteristics. Like I was saying, this one has a better throttle response, and you could feel it when it's wide open throttle, or you could feel throttle. The other one I have, you can put it wide open throttle and it just feels like it hesitates, it stumbles, it just doesn't want to go, and this one doesn't do that. So I don't know, I'm knocking between the two, and maybe I just need to get another one. So we'll see how this goes. Well, like I said, I'll give that a try for a few days and see if I like it. I'm probably going to still search for a better throttle body or a rebuild kit or something. I know there was a guy that used to rebuild throttle bodies, and they'd bore them out and put new throttle plates and everything in them, but apparently the guy passed away and no one else does them anymore, so we'll try to see what we can do to work this out. In the meantime, if you like this kind of content, Toyota stuff, I might have some other stuff in the works, kind of eyeballing a few other projects, so stay tuned. I might post some stuff up. Getting ready to tear into a front diff of this. I got some wheeling trips coming up, so if you like this content, like it, share it, subscribe, comment, all the other things that everybody tells you to do. So until next time, when we figure it out again, we'll see you later.